Hey, ladies and gentlemen around the world. Yeah, I'm here in Pretoria in Hatfield, and I got my new tires. So they will balance my wheels and put some new tires on. Very friendly people, very good people. So they have recommended me to come here, and yeah, they are fine. BIKING accessories, Hatfield. They got a lot of stuff and they do perfect service. They are very, very professional. They gave me a good price. Look at this shop. You really find everything what you want, no matter what. No matter what belongs to the bike, it's here. So you come to Hatfield, to the Biker King, and you will get perfect service. Thank you for watching.